Okay, racers ready? We are playing best out of 3 for this race. You have to hit all 3 jumps.
Okay.
You can't cut corner. If you cut a corner too sharp, you got to come back and hit it. If you miss a ramp, you got to come back and hit that ramp.
Got it.
Okay?
Yep.
We go on go. 1, 2, 3, go. That was a corner cut. That was 3, I think, no? Okay. Racers ready, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. And they tried to take each other out. Well, I know somebody that can sell you parts for that, Paul.
Yeah, I know.
For sway bars.
Send me to a good shop, will you?
And Paul got eliminated. He's going to the losers bracket.
Yeah.